everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video has obviously been requested by one of you guys, and I feel like I haven't done this type of video in a really long time. I mean, granted, I haven't made a video in a really long time, like properly anyway, but yeah, when I have come back it's been like the military style videos, whereas I haven't looked at a city or a town or a village in India in a really long time, like a travel video, and someone has suggested, I mean, we know I'm gonna butcher the name of this place, but someone has suggested Cherrapunji. I'm very sorry. So we're gonna have a look at that. Apparently it's meant to be beautiful, like a paradise, lots of waterfalls. So I just found this video, it's got 4 million views, so it's got to be good, and I'm really just excited to see how beautiful it is. So make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm trying to get better at filming content again. I know, I'm so sorry. And yeah, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, because even I don't know when I'm uploading. And also feel free to check out my other channel, Becca W. I will leave a link in the description, and if you want to follow me on an everyday basis, the best place to follow me is on Instagram. Again, the link will be in the description, but let's get on with the video. Wow. Eco-tourism park, that's cool. Gosh, it really is beautiful, isn't it? Wow. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Wow, it's lots of butterflies, isn't there? Whoa! What? Is that really a bridge made out of roots? Ah! Wow! Nature is amazing, isn't it? Bet that's cold. Actually no, it's probably not. It's probably just really refreshing. Wow. There's just so many sites in the world that are just as beautiful like this. It's crazy. What? Double-decker route bridge? That is a lovely shot. Oh my goodness. Wow. a rainbow waterfall. Oh my gosh. These root bridges are just incredible. Wow. Gosh, that's a huge waterfall. Gosh. Well, they look tired. Wow. Oh my gosh. $100 340 meters. Wow. Oh my goodness. That was insanely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Firstly, this YouTube channel is called Two Birds Breaking Free, which is so cute. I assume they're a couple, maybe they're married, maybe they're just in a relationship, I don't know. And they have 27,000 subscribers, but this video has 4 million views. Like, imagine having, I mean, 27,000 subscribers is a lot of people, but like, when you compare that to having one video that has 4 million views, that's mad. Like, I know we've got like 60,000 subscribers on this channel, which is insane, thank you so much. But like, I don't even think, none of my videos have like reached over, what, 400,000 views, I don't think. So like, to have 4 million on one video is just crazy. But I really like the music. The shots that they filmed were beautiful. The scenery was spectacular. Like, no wonder why you guys wanted me to react to this place. Like, it's just beautiful. So thank you for opening my eyes to Cherrapunji. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, I'm so sorry. But it was lovely. As always, the original video will be linked in the description, so make sure you go check them out and give it a like and a comment as well. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of my reaction in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like I said at the beginning of this video. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see what I get up to on a day-to-day life, because I post my life on Instagram. And also, we're coming up to December and I'm thinking of doing Vlogmas on my second channel, so make sure you follow Becca W on YouTube. Again, the link will be in the description, because I'm thinking I'm going to do what I did last year, which is a weekly vlog for Christmas. I don't know, I haven't quite decided. I haven't got many plans in December, that's the thing. But I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you soon for another one.